Hey guys, what's going on? Today we've got these Realme Power Bank 2s in stock. They just arrived now, so we thought we'd grab two of them. The different colours we've got black and yellow, and we thought we'd do sort of quick unboxing, just see how they look. Now, I've seen images online, but I haven't seen them in person, so I'm looking forward to seeing them. They are big power banks in the sense of battery size. You can see 10,000 milliamp hour, and this is the second generation of power bank from Realme, so Realme Power Bank 2. So yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing this. So I'm trying to pop this one to the side for now, so we can just read over some of the specs, and I'll pop this one. Now I think I've got the yellow one here, so this is the more fun one in my opinion. So I'm just flipping this over so we can see some of the specs that it's got. So it's got an 18 watt maximum quick charge for multi-devices. It's got a low current mode for ALOT, which is for stuff like your bands or watches that you would like to charge off these. It's got an input and output and a two-way quick charge with USB Type-C support and micro USB support also. It's got 12 layers of circuit protection, dual output simultaneously, and a high density lithium polymer battery. So yeah, so that is basically what it brags. It's pretty standard for a power bank. It's got that 18 watt charge though, which is pretty quick, and it's got sort of a dual output, which again is a bonus. So I'll start by saying this power bank is listed for $24.99 currently, so I think that's a great price for the size of battery you're getting and that extension on power and life that you can use. Now I'm not sure actually how big this is in hand because I haven't actually seen it yet, so you'll be experiencing that with me. But yeah, so that's all the stuff on the back, and so we're just gonna go ahead and pop this open now. So slice that there, pull this out. There's a little tab here that we can pull, and there it is in that yellow colorway that we see with Realme. It's got sort of a plastic finish. I think it's like a non-slip and non-fingerprint, but you've got that Realme branding in big letters there, big and bright, and the yellow colorway I always think looks great. I don't know why they don't do a phone like this that looks the same, because I love it and I think it looks awesome. So yeah, let's slip this out. So I'll put this to the side for now. Inside this little case, you get a Realme Power Bank user manual. It's going to tell you some information, shows you your warranty card for if anything goes wrong with it, and you get this cable. Now there is something a little bit cool and unique about this cable. It actually has this sort of dual adapter at the top, so you can see it's got that micro USB there and then your USB Type-C, and it just sort of slots in like that, so you can use either or, and you have it in the same cable. So if you've got two different devices, you don't need to keep carrying two cables around. You've got both in the same one. So I thought that's pretty nice. Moving on to the main event. Now, has this got any power? A quick test. It's got 1 bar, so lucky. But yeah, no, it's got this lovely yellow finish all over it, and it's really like grippy surface, so you won't be able to easily drop it. And in hand, sort of, I'd say about a phone size. So, and it's fairly thin. It's much smaller than I thought it was going to be for 10,000 milliamp hours. So I'm pretty impressed with the size. Coming to this side of the device, you can see it's got the inputs here, along with your percentage indicator and your sort of on and off button. You can see that they went with the Realme branding on the inside of this port and on the inside of this USB Type-C port, made them their signature yellow even on the inside of the port, which is a lovely touch, and I really like it anyway. On the other side, you've got some info, again, saying 10,000 milliamp hour. So this is the yellow one. I do have a black one as well that I will quickly pop out so you can just see a side by side. As I said previously, I'm a massive fan of Realme's yellow color, and I think they should really use it on, well, everything. I know they use it on all their boxes, but I'd love to see phones with even some limited releases for the phones with a yellow colorway. I just think they always look really good in that sort of yellow color. But yeah, this is the black one here now, and it sort of is basically the inverse of the yellow one. It's got that black colorway, that black finish with the yellow Realme writing. Obviously, I prefer the yellow one just because I love Realme signature yellow, but the black one is also very nice, very sleek. These are them here. This is the comparison side by side. Obviously, they're the same, as in they're the same size, same weight, same everything. I just personally prefer the yellow one. But yeah, on the black one, you've also got that yellow signature ports, and I think it stands out a little bit more on the black one. I think it looks really cool on the black one. I would say they're about the size of a, normal phone, maybe a little bit on the small side. Obviously, these are smaller than your average Realme phone. But yeah, they're pocket size, they fit in your back pocket, slide in pretty easily, and basically due to the nature of the design, I think that's what they're designed for. You can sort of slide it into your back pocket, and it either looks like a relatively normal / small size phone, or just, you know, like a wallet or something. It looks like it'll fit pretty nicely in my opinion. So yeah, if you're looking for a size guide, that is about it. So yeah guys, that's about it for my first impressions and quick unboxing. I know this is quick, but I just wanted to show you guys what they look like as they just came in now, and I like all the little realme accessories you get, like the Realme Buds Q. So yeah, this is the power bank here. If you want to buy them, they'll be listed in the description below and on eFones.com and on our Amazon store if you want to see that. So be sure to check that out. The links will be in the description below. As I said, they're $24.99 right now, and you check out with one straight away. We're planning on charging one of these bad boys up to the max and doing an actual battery test. We'll grab a phone or something, get it down to no battery, charge up to full, and see how many charges we can get out of this, and we want to see how long that actually takes. So stay tuned for that. That'll be our sort of 1 week later for these, and that'll be uploaded very soon. So keep your eyes peeled for that. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.